Okay, I'm going to read this. See if you can tell just by me reading it. A steel container is filled with nitrous oxide at 15 atms, is cooled from 25 degrees Celsius to 233 Kelvin. Calculate the final pressure, assuming the volume stays constant. How do you know? Yeah, and it says volume is constant. Okay, so if we, do you want me to write that out, or can I just do like start and end? I'll write it out. Okay, we have 15 atm is cooled from 25 degrees Celsius to 233 Kelvin. What is the final pressure Okay, first thing you should do, first thing I would do, convert the Celsius. So you take 25 plus 273. Anybody? Thank you. Notice that Celsius has the little degree symbol, but Kelvin does not. That is naughty if you put degree symbol with Kelvin. Do I have to fix any other numbers? Are you sure? Okay, you're right. Okay, so we are starting with 15 atm. Whoop, I forgot my T. And we are starting at 298 Kelvin. We are ending with, we don't know what for ATMs, because that's what the question asked us to find out, and 233 Kelvin. Everyone with me so far? Okay. Oh, here's a good question. We have 3 numbers. Which one do we start with? How do you know? It's not volume. When in doubt, start with volume.
There is no volume.
So how do you know what to start with?
Because I was just asking for your answer.
Okay. So we're going to have 15 ATM. What goes on the bottom? What label goes on the bottom? Kelvin. Why don't we put ATM on the bottom? Because we want it to stay there. We don't want it to cancel. So we want the 2 Kelvins to cancel. So Kelvin on top, Kelvin on the bottom, so that they cancel out. And according to our Lussac map here, we have pressure and temperature. Our temperature is doing what? Starting at 298, going to 233. Is it going up or down? According to Lussac, temperature and pressure, do they do the opposite or the same? Same. So therefore, pressure is going to go down. So the bigger number follows the second arrow. It's pointing down, so the bigger number goes down on the bottom. Which one's bigger? There's a number in the top, you multiply. Number in the bottom, you divide. So this says take 15 times 233 divided by 298. 11.73 what? ATM, because that's the only label that didn't cancel. And the question says, what's our final pressure? Pressure has to be ATM. So remember I said on Boyle's, Charles, and Lussac, so you can check yourself. We said that the pressure was going to go down. Did our pressure go down? Yeah, 15 to 11.73. So it went down, so we're probably right. Is that one easy too?